So the other home is under construction. This is a kind of finished product. You can put the coral on the outside, which a lot of people do here. It looks beautiful on the coral. This here is a conversion of the garages into other bedrooms. Okay, there's your doorway here. You can see it's completely different from what it was when we do the. I'm going to take you inside, hopefully. Yep. So this is almost a finished product. You give you a rough idea. This here is a utility room. Oh, they've actually put a bathroom in there. Okay. Custom made. Beautiful tile throughout. Bedroom again, beautiful high ceilings. Through to the master. Now this one is a little bit unique. They have extended the bath. It's actually supposed to be outside, but they extended the wall to take in the bath, because the bath is usually outside. They wanted it inside, which is gorgeous. And there's a beautiful view from their bath. They turned this other bedroom into a complete walk-in closet, which is massive. Finishings are optimal, beautiful. And this is your master. Again, beautiful vaulted ceilings throughout. And, oh, a pelican just in time. This is a beautiful view right here. Through to the great room. There's a built-in resort I was talking about in the other house. There's a gorgeous kitchen here. All high-end appliances. Dishwasher, ovens there. And this is the whole wall here, whole wall of glass. This is how your decking will be outside. And there's the infinity pool with the hot tub. This one's still being constructed. And then you've got your beautiful view, you're right on the ocean. These doors are huge. These doors all pocket, go right into the slots here on both sides. Walking through here. So they've made this utility side with the appliances in there. We have a bedroom here, again with vaulted ceilings. Jack and Jill bathroom here with a separate shower. 2 wash-hand basins in there. And the secondary master. This one here, you see the tub is actually outside, so you walk in closets here, sinks, shower. There's your bath there with the privacy wall. And through into the second master. It's truly a gorgeous home. This is there's vaulted ceilings, are beautiful. This one's still to be finished with the steps outside. But again, even bringing guests here, we'll wake up to that. Magnificent.